right now, dumbass. Flip over. You fucking here. Who the f you think you're running from? Who the f you think you're running from? Come on, I got him. I got him. So 583 Edward Robert. It's like an Asian man.
Secret Asian man, secret Asian man.
That's a Marshall from Roseville. Coming up to Ridgeway. Turn in right on Churchill. Right on Churchill. Left on Division. That's the second. Traffic's fine. Speed's 88. Correction, straight on Midland. I bumped him in the intersection. He got through. Just past Northwest. Alright, coming up to 6. 36. Alright, he's in the ditch, and he began passing North Pig. Headed towards downtown, slowing down. Crossing North 6, or North End North. West on North 7, turning North O, headed back towards Midland. Alvin Bradley Senior Lane, or North 8th. Back to North End North. Clear, clear, clear. Alright, there's no traffic. We're about 50 right now. Back on Midland. We're right. Going to be heading towards the downtown area if we stay right.
Back on this.
Past North End. We're passing the Wide Awake Cafe on North 10. Passing North Ida. Speed's 90. No traffic. Correction, North B. He's on the red light and proceeding through. Coming up to Garrison. No traffic, no pedestrians. Speed 60. We're coming right in front of the police department. Alright, behind the jail. On Cornell.
We're behind the jail.
Headed back to Wheeler. We're in a parking lot here.
10-4.
Still behind the jail. Going in circles in a parking lot. Headed back towards Wheeler. Alright, we're on Wheeler southbound. Passing South B-Boy.
Wheeler southbound, passing B-Boy.
Passing South D as in David. Speeds 100 miles an hour. Traffic's light. He's got a blue shirt on. No helmet. Like khaki shorts and some blue Jordans. Passing South I-Island.
Passing South High.
Just past South O. Speeds 110. Traffic's light. We're passing the Dollar General, South Y. Alright, there's a deputy in front of me. Crossing Fresno. Alright, got a deputy behind me. Passing Houston on Wheeler. Speeds 120. No traffic in our lane. For 3, original stop was for expired tags. We're coming up to Phoenix. Red light on Phoenix. And he blew through Phoenix. Still continuing. No traffic. Speeds 100. Coming up to 0. Alright, notify Oklahoma. We're right on 0. 0 and 5th. We're headed to Oklahoma. I'm going to end up losing where we're at. Past state line. Alright, we turned around. We're headed back to Fort Smith, coming right in front of the deputy.
I'm gonna be straight up on 0. I'm coming up to it now.
Alright, he's going to be coming quick. He's coming to Phoenix. Alright, left on Wheeler, 31, you call it if you got it.
Okay, here I'm calling. We're northbound on Wheeler. Our speeds are still climbing up to about 80 right now. Light traffic. Three, they're coming at us.
You can probably release the crown. I'm staying back.
We're still northbound, coming up to Fresno. Speed, I'm at 110. I'm right in front of y'all. 3, we're going to try to slow him down, get him boxed in. You good with that? Yes, sir. Alright, go secondary, go secondary. I think about 87, wheeler northbound still. Don't get up there, let's try to keep boxed in. Still northbound, about 120, passing the train track. We coming to downtown Portsmouth, about 112. How's your traffic? Light traffic. We passed in Rogers right now.
Going through a red light.
Hey, 7 got the lead, we're coming up to Garrison. North through Garrison, south to North Egg.
Felonies, get up! Felonies! Yay! You get to go to prison. Good job.
Thank you, Rick. Work it out in the photo. Open that up. Walking out.
Start telling us.
Oh, look at this. Oh, because of that? Hey, it's out. That's it. Who the fuck you think you're running from? Who the fuck you think you're running from? Come on, I got
When I got it, I think it's on my hand. Yeah, I'm good. You got it.
It's all over your shirt.
It's.
On a 1016, he's bleeding pretty good.
I got something. I'm a second stop that bleeding.
I got some stuff.
I can hurt my hand. Fuck.
His last name is
bad.
two last names.
Good? Yeah, I think I'm gonna stop my hand though.
Frank Ocean Lincoln,
No.
George Adam Robert.
Can close it?
Another one
Is it broke?
Athena.
No, it's not broke.
Something for the
Harriet,
Yeah,
David,
yeah.
Adam.
You need a 1016?
Nah, I mean they're gonna come here either way.
Well,
To check it.
1997, August 20th, 0820, 1997. This is a passport, so I'm 54. Man, I'll need a 1011 for this bike.
You messed it up?
Smoking, dude.